Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with smooth, hydrated lips. This matters because texture shows through blur. Once prepped, apply a light balm and blot. Do not leave shiny residue. Next, use concealer on the lip edges to mute surrounding skin. This creates a soft border. Then, pick a lip pencil or small brush and place color inside the natural line, leaving the outer edge less saturated so the blur will read as intentional soft focus. Now you build the blurred effect by adding concentrated color to the center of the lips. This gives depth and prevents a flat look. Once done, use a fingertip or a small flat brush to press the pigment and drag it gently toward the edge. Short, feathery motions work best. Make sure to blend outward more than inward so the edge softens without shrinking the lip shape. If needed, repeat a light layer in the center for intensity. To finish, set the look. Press a sheer translucent powder or apply a touch of gloss just in the center to create contrast between blurred edge and vivid middle. Once set, clean any uneven halo with a tiny concealer brush to restore a soft, controlled fade. If the blur goes muddy, do not scrub. Remove the central color with balm or micellar wipe, reapply a single thin layer, and blend again. This preserves the soft gradient without overworking the lip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.